asking the same thing. How do you enter the house?
You can leave 1 o'clock, or do you want to wait there?
1 o'clock, yeah, it's okay, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, yes, 1 o'clock.
Yes,
House,
and-
yes.
What, they have a display for
Yes, for us,
4,
2 adults.
Jared,
Aye.
if the coffee shop second on, make your way through that gate. And
We're in now. Come on, Dave, ready?
picture ang mga shop inuuna niya. Ito yung mga old fashioned na house lalabs. There we go. Ayun yung laundry. Ayun yung may-ari. May-ari is mayamans. Mega love shout out. Dito tayo ulit. Bibisita. Bibisita tayo dito sa lugar na ito. Mega love shout out. Ayan. Book. Water. Ayun. May malaki silang ano. So it's nice, that one. They're very nice. Very nice one here. We're gonna share out. Ayan, pasa tayo ng 18, 18, 17, 18, 24, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Ayan. Ito yung mga ano lalabs. Mga may-ari ng bahay na to. Pero ngayon, binigay na nila sa government. They give in the government. Binigyan na nila sa gobyerno. Oh. Pasyal tayo sa malaking bahay. Igalaw shout out. Ito yung garden.